Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to get ChatGPT to summarize an article. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and begin here in ChatGPT. I'm going to go ahead and try to write here, can you summarize an article? All right, and then as you can see here, just provide the article or main points, and then ChatGPT is going to summarize it for us. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to go ahead and write the title here, and then down below, I'm also going to go ahead and just simply try to copy everything here, starting here until down below. There you go. And I'm going to right click, copy this one, and then I'm going to go back here to ChatGPT and paste this as a plain text. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and try to ask ChatGPT, summarize this for me, just like so. And then we are going to wait. All right, there you go. So as you can see, that's pretty amazing, right? Now, say for example, you want to do this one in bullet form, you can definitely ask ChatGPT to do that for you. All right, there you go. As you can see, we are able to have it in bullet form. That way, it will be easier for us to digest this one. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.